Here's how I made these animated characters in 3D for the short film Chrysalis. The first step is to animate a base that you can later add the clothing to, and I do this in a program called iClone, but this takes absolutely ages, so about halfway through I got my hands on a Rococo Smart Suit. This is a motion capture suit that allows you to record body movement that you can then later transfer to any 3D character. It still needs a lot of cleanup work, but at least this is a great base to start from, and it definitely speeds up the process. To make the clothes, I use a program called Marvelous Designer. I started by drawing out the pattern of the clothes in 2D, and I found it helpful here to look at actual tailor patterns for reference, and then you just position the pieces around the character. All of it then needs to be sewn together, and there's this brilliant moment when you run the simulation and all of the fabric just falls into place. And you can still pull it around a bit to make sure that everything fits well. You basically just build it up in separate parts and then you sew them all together until you have a full garment. In some cases I added some top stitching lines, and then you can run the simulation again so that the garment's movement just follows along with the motion of the character's animation. You can watch the short film Chrysalis and a full making of on YouTube.